Hey, English 11, Mr. Nass here. I'm looking at Unit 0, Lesson 4, Creating Your Learner's Portfolio. So let me guide you through the Learner's Portfolio and how to create it. Very easy, must-do task for you today. The Learner's Portfolio is a place for you to put all the work from this class and also some extracts or some quotes or parts from works that we look at that you can come back to later and use on your IB assessments. So what will go in this learner's portfolio? All your notes, your classwork, all of your assignments, you're going to drop into this portfolio so that you can come back to them later and use them. How do you set up the portfolio? It's very simple. It's just going to be a Google Drive folder. So let me walk you through the steps. In your Google Drive, you'll click New. You'll click Folder. The title of the folder is right here. Language A, Lit and Lang SL, Learner Portfolio, and then your name. So let's go ahead and enter that in. Language A, Language A, Lit and Lang SL. Make sure we get it right. Learner Portfolio, and then your name. All right, so then we create our folder. Now I have the folder, and you need to share it with your teachers. So what you'll do here is you can either click on the person with the plus up here, or click with two fingers on it and click share. The two people that you need to share yours with are myself, which is Jameson Nass, and then also Miss Heck. And share. So the folder will be shared with both of us. After you share it, you also need to create a folder inside of it called extracts. To do that, we'll just go into the folder, click New again, Folder, Extracts, and now we have it. It's already shared because it's inside the folder that you shared with myself and Ms. Heck. Along with the extracts folder, each time we start a new unit, you'll create a new folder for that unit. So in that folder is where you're going to put all the documents that you create and that you complete during that unit. So we haven't started Unit 1 yet, but next week when we do, you'll put that folder right here. Part of the reason for that is because we own a lot of the Google documents that you use through Schoology. And so once you move on and you do something else, you move on to next year, we want to make sure you have access to them and you're able to find them when you need them. Extracts are basically quotes or parts from literature that we look at or text that we look at throughout the year. So when you find something that you think you want to use, it's impactful, it's powerful, you think it's helpful, you're going to want to copy that, take that, and put that into a document and put it into your extracts folder in your learner's portfolio. So once again, Unit 0, Lesson 4, create your learner's portfolio. Once you've created that folder, shared it with Ms. Heck and myself, create the extracts folder inside of it, you are done with the must-do for Lesson 4.